going to be huge. It has 200 animated hangars and detailed ATC tower. And as you can see, I don't know why Conventions has this good-looking thing there. Just it's not there. So check out the details of the gears on are not updated or not finished yet. Their rims are gone. Oh, is that how you call it? Rims? I don't know. So they are not finished, but I already like the original model. And look at the original model. The original model is